Good morning, students. In the last video, I told you clauses and types of clauses, main clause, subordinate clause, and coordinating clause. Today, I'm going to tell you noun clause. And before we start noun clause, I will tell you difference between phrases and clauses. What is difference between phrases and clauses? Phrase is a group of words. Phrase is a group of words that gives a sense but not complete sense, and it does not have any finite verb. फ्रेज जो है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है जो सेंस देता है बट कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं देता और उसमें फाइनेट वर्ब नहीं होती है. लाइक द बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. नाउ इन दिस सेंटेंस इन द स्काई, दिस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स इज अ फ्रेज. It is a group of words and it does not have any finite verb, and it is giving sense also but not complete sense in the sky. That's why it will be phrase. And clauses, a clause is also a group of words which has a finite verb and is a part of a sentence. क्लोज जो है वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है बट इट हैज़ अ फाइनेट वर्ब ऑल्सो and it gives complete sense also. So it is the difference between phrase and clause. So which is now what is noun clause? A clause that acts as a noun in a sentence is called a noun clause. जो क्लॉज सेंटेंस में नाउन का काम करता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ नाउन क्लॉज. एंड नाउन क्लॉज ऑलवेज आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन व्हाट. Example is given, Rohit listened to what was told. Here the group of words printed in bold answers the question. I have already told you what is main clause and subordinate clause. The which part gives the complete sense, which part gives the complete sense and doesn't depend on any other sentence, that is called main clause. And what is subordinate clause? Which part depends on the main clause to complete its sense, that is called subordinate clause. And subordinate clause, Rohit listened to what was told. Now you can see what was told. Rohit listened to, Rohit ने सुना. This part gives complete sense, that's why it is a main clause. So what was told, but this part doesn't give complete sense, it depends on the Rohit listen to me, it depends on the main clause, that's why this part is a subordinate clause. And we are discussing here noun clause. How will we identify which is noun clause? Noun clause always answers the question word what. Now here the group of words printed in bold answers the question listen to what. उसने क्या सुना, रोहित ने क्या सुना. रोहित ने वो सुना जो उसे बताया गया, what was told. Now this part gives the answer of question word what, that's why it is a noun phrase. Some more examples are given. He listened to all that. I have already told you about phrases. Noun phrases and noun clauses both give answer of question word what. Okay, both give answer of question word what. He listened to all that. Now in this sentence you can see all that. This group, it is a group of words and it also gives sense but not complete sense. All that, this group of words gives a sense but not complete sense. It depends it doesn't give complete sense and it doesn't have any finite verb also. That's why this part is a phrase, not a clause. A clause has a finite verb also. A clause has a finite verb, its own subject and predicate. Now next, she found out the secret. Now you can see the secret. This word also, this group of words also doesn't give complete sense, that's why it is not a clause, it is a phrase. He told them to wait. He told them to wait. Now to wait, this group of words also gives sense but not complete sense, that's why it is also a phrase. So features, a noun clause acts like a noun. It may be the subject of a verb or the object of the verb. Okay, noun clause can be the subject or ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब ऑल्सो. सब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पर भी आ सकता है नाउन क्लॉज, ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पर भी आ सकता है. लाइक दैट द इंसिडेंट वुड हैपन वॉज सर्टेन. नाउ यू कैन सी noun clause has been used before the verb at the place of subject. That's why it is a noun clause, and it gives answer of question word what. So noun clauses are introduced by that, why, what. It also may be introduced with words like if, whether. You have to just keep in mind noun clause and phrases both give answer of question word what. So students, you have to try exercises of noun clauses.